So I just got this package from Temu. I think I spent maybe 30 bucks on tackle, and let's see what we got. Got a couple reels, baitcasters, got lures, line. Yeah, they got braided fishing line for a couple dollars. We'll see how that works. And I'll do a review on this in the future, but I got a better scale than the one I had. Pretty cool little scale. It's got a smiley face on it. Interesting. So, let's see what else we got in here. Got some braid, I already said that. I forget what pound test this is. Let's see what else. Oh yeah. Check that little puppy out. I bet you that thing will work really good. Saltwater and freshwater. Got some pliers, because mine are shot. I got the Walmart specials, and they're not very good. I don't recommend the Tsunami pliers from Walmart. They suck. But check these out. Pretty cool. You got a clip on it, and God knows I'd lose them if they didn't. What else we got? We have, oh cool, forgot I got that. Nice little spinnerbait, 3/8 ounce. So that'll be cool. What else we got? Ooh, twistlock hooks. They're like the owners, but just a generic version of them. So pretty cool. We got. Alright, so we got. I think this baitcaster was only $9, which is insane. Feels a little tight, but for $9, I mean, we'll give it a whirl. I mean, it seems kind of cheesy, but for $9, I mean, you can give it a whirl. Cool though. Some Chinese brand. Doesn't even say what brand it is. It's got 7/2-to-1 gears. Whatever 10 GK max drag is. I don't know what that is. Not very good with the metric system. Alright, this reel I got for Jessica. It's a 200 size Sogi Ling. I don't know. Whatever that name is. Maybe y'all can help me with that. I'm not very good at these foreign languages. Made in America here, boys. Not China. But this one is pretty cool looking. Tell me what y'all think. It's got 12+1 ball bearings in it. That one feels smooth. Pretty cool looking. Not a bad reel. I think this thing was... I got a bunch of stuff for free, so I might not have even had to pay for this one, just the shipping. But think about it. I got 3 baitcasters, 500 yards of braid, a spinnerbait, pliers. I got twistlock hooks. You know, a topwater. So, and that's a pretty sweet looking topwater. I can't wait to throw that. Okay, this is Ethan's reel. This one is a hot ton. I think that's how you say that. But let's check this one out. Nice. That one's actually check that thing out. That's actually a nice one. I mean, I use Shimano's, so I mean, I doubt it's going to be as good as my SLX DC or my regular SLX. But I mean, for 30 bucks, you can't complain. I got 3 baitcasters. Clean up a little bit. That's everything. 3 baitcasters. I got twistlock hooks. Let's see if they're sharp. Definitely not a gamakatsu. But hey, whatever. They're hooks. I got a topwater spinnerbait. So all this for 30 bucks. Oh yeah, and a scale. Where did I put the scale at? Right here. Not a bad deal. I'll let y'all know what it works like after I spool them up and give them a cast. Check the lures out and everything. Alright y'all, tight lines.